Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. These are our shapes and these are our colors. This is sky blue color, violet color, olive green color, red, light green, peach, yellow color, fluorescent yellow, pink color. This is black color. Now let us draw the shapes. It is heptagon. It has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is heart. Left arrow. It is cross. It is L shape. It is sad emoji. Kids, let us color these shapes. It is sky blue color. It is heptagon. It has 7 sides. It is a 2D shape. It is pink color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. Olive green color. It is left arrow. Red color. It is cross. It looks like addition symbol. Light green color. It is L shape. It looks like the alphabet letter L. Peach color. It is sad emoji. It is a emoji. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is heptagon, sky blue color, heart, pink color, left arrow, olive green color, cross, red color, L shape, light green color, sad emoji, peach color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.